I'm Kyra, and welcome to Kyra's Magical Tales, where stories come to life and we learn magical lessons along the way. Are you ready? Let's begin! Amelia, Adeline in the Big Splash. Adventureland, here we come, Splish Splash, let's have lots of fun! Amelia the armadillo and her little sister Adeline the anteater sang at the top of their lungs as the car rolled toward Adventureland. Amelia loved singing songs from her favorite musicals, and Adeline happily sang right along with her. "I can already see the water slides," Amelia squealed. "I can already see the gift shop," Adeline laughed. "I hope they have something pink. Or something with kittens. Maybe both." "I had a feeling you'd say that," Amelia giggled. As they pulled into Adventureland, the sisters' eyes grew wide. Colorful water slides twisted through the sky, fountains sparkled in the sunshine, and children laughed as they floated down the lazy river and splashed through giant pools. "This place is amazing!" Amelia exclaimed. "It's so pretty. Everything looks like a rainbow," Adeline said. The sisters couldn't wait to explore. They floated down the lazy river and splashed through the wave pool. They also laughed together all morning. Then something towering over the whole park caught their eye. They both stopped in their tracks. It was Mount Splashmore! Adeline's eyes grew wide. "That's the big slide you always ride." Amelia grinned. "It's my favorite ride in the whole park." The giant water slide twisted from top of the towering mountain down to the sparkling pool below. Adeline looked up, and up, and up, and up, and up. It looked really, really high and really, really fast. "I'll be right back." Amelia raced up the long staircase. Whoosh! Around the twist she flew. Down the giant drop. Splash! She popped out of the water laughing so hard she could barely catch her breath. That was incredible! Nothing seemed to rattle Amelia. She loved trying new adventures and trying new things. Adeline waved from below. She had watched Amelia ride Mount Splashmore about 17,000 times before. Every time she looked up at the giant slide, it seemed too high, too fast, just a little too scary. Today, as they walked through the park, Adeline spotted a little girl wearing bright pink sunglasses and carrying a kitten-shaped beach bag. "Oh, I love that bag." Amelia smiled. "You can spot anything pink from a mile away, can't you?" "It's my favorite color. What can I say?" Then Adeline looked back at Mount Splashmore. Amelia noticed. "Are you thinking about riding it today?" "A little." "Then what's stopping you?" Adeline took a deep breath. "I'm scared." "Of the slide?" She nodded. "It's so high, and it looks so fast." Just then, a cheerful hippo named Haley floated on a giant pineapple-shaped inner tube. "Did I hear someone talking about Mount Splashmore?" Haley asked. Adeline nodded. "I've wanted to ride it for a long time." "So why haven't you?" "Because I'm scared." Haley smiled. "I understand. The first time I saw Mount Splashmore, I kept wondering, what if it's too scary? Then I asked myself, what if it's actually really fun? I gave it a try, and it became one of my favorite rides." Adeline looked back at Mount Splashmore. Amelia gently put an arm right around her sister. "I know it looks really high and really fast," Adeline replied. "I used to think that too," Amelia said. "But once I rode it, I realized it wasn't nearly as scary as it looked." "Really?" Amelia nodded. "Really. Sometimes our imagination makes things seem much bigger than they really are." Adeline looked back up at the giant slide. "Maybe I've been letting my worries make my decision." Amelia smiled. Whenever you're ready, I'll be right beside you." Adeline smiled back. "I think I'm almost ready." Then she grinned. "Wait, let's do our sister handshake first." Amelia laughed. "Now that's a good idea, sis." The sisters clapped, spun, stomped their feet, and finished with a playful hip bump. They both laughed. Adeline reached for Amelia's hand. "Okay, let's do it." Together the sisters climbed up the long staircase. Step by step, the higher they climbed, the smaller everything below looked. At the top, Adeline peeked over the edge. Her tummy fluttered. For just a moment, she thought about turning around. Then she remembered Haley's words. "I don't want fear to decide for me," she smiled. "I want to decide." Amelia squeezed her hand. "Ready?" Adeline grinned. "Ready?" The sisters counted together. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh! Around every twist, through every turn. Then, splash! They landed into the sparkling pool below. For one quiet second, Adeline blinked. Then, she bursted into laughter. "That was amazing! I knew you would love it. I can't believe I waited for so long." For the rest of the afternoon, the sisters raced back to Mount Splashmore again and again and again. Before heading home, they stopped at the gift shop. Adeline found the cutest pink kitten keychain with tiny glittery ears that said Mount Splashmore. "It's perfect." As the sisters drove home, they laughed about their favorite parts of the day. "I still can't believe I rode Mount Splashmore." "I knew you could do it," Amelia said. The moment they opened the front door, their puppy Coco came racing towards them with her tail wagging as fast as it could. "Hi, Coco!" The sisters laughed as they knelt down, giving their puppy big hugs and kisses. "You should have seen Adeline today," Amelia said, scratching behind Coco's ears. Adeline wrapped her arms around Coco and smiled. "Guess what, Coco? I rode Mount Splashmore!" Coco barked happily and zoomed around the room as if she could understand every word, making both sisters laugh. "I think Coco is proud of you." Adeline smiled. "I think so too." That day, Adeline discovered something she would never forget. When we don't let fear make our choices, we open the door for new wonderful adventures. And that's the end of today's magical tale. My favorite part was when Adeline realized she didn't have to let fear make her choices. What was your favorite part? See you next time for another magical tale.